To send a Bitcoin voucher, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure a secure and efficient transfer of funds. First, understand what a Bitcoin voucher is, which is essentially a redeemable code that represents a certain amount of Bitcoin. Begin by purchasing a Bitcoin voucher from a reputable vendor, such as a cryptocurrency exchange or a specialized voucher provider. The vendor will provide you with a unique code that corresponds to the amount of Bitcoin you purchased. Next, go to the website of the vendor where you bought the voucher and look for the redemption or transfer section. Enter the voucher code and follow the instructions to initiate the transfer process. You will be asked to provide the recipient's Bitcoin address, which is a unique string of characters that identifies their Bitcoin wallet. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address to avoid any mistakes, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Once you have entered the address, confirm the transaction details, including the amount and any applicable fees. After verifying the information, submit the transfer request and wait for the transaction to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the vendor and the blockchain network. To increase security, consider using a wallet or exchange that offers two-factor authentication and robust encryption. Additionally, keep your voucher code and Bitcoin wallet private keys safe to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, once the transaction is complete, the recipient will receive the Bitcoin and can use it for various purposes, such as making purchases or exchanging it for other currencies. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, you can send a Bitcoin voucher efficiently and securely.